Hello, I'm Rochelle Gridley, and I'm going to show you today how to use the new Pantagraph's negative collection from the McLean County Museum of History. Start by using Google Chrome or the Safari browser. These browsers work best with the archive. Start at the museum website and choose Research, then Resources, and scroll down until you find the tile for Pantagraph Negative Collection. This gives you a direct link to the page where the Pantagraph negative collections from 1930 and 1940 exist. I'm going to start by opening the page of the 1930s collection. Now on this page you can see on the left-hand side of the page there are 5 tiles. The first one allows you to connect to all the different Illinois Digital Archive collections from different libraries and museums. If you scroll down to the 5th of the tiles, you'll see the subject topic headings. This list shows the 200 or so most frequently used topic headings in the collection. Now, many more tags are used on a less frequent basis for things like grocery stores or factories. On the right is the search bar. I'm going to start my search for a named person, and I'm going to search for Welmerling. Welmerling was a mayor in Bloomington in the 1930s. I'm going to choose an image that lets us explore all the different aspects of how you can use this collection. Let's begin by looking at the image itself. The double arrows help you expand the image to fill your screen, and then you can use the zoom in and zoom out buttons to see all the detail in the image. You can download the image in 3 different sizes and then use your photo editor to pick out certain parts of the picture that you want to use. Now scroll down to see the metadata that explains the image. The first thing in the metadata is the title, which is the title given to the image by the person who created it. And the person who created this image is Joseph C. Green, and he created it on the 17th of January in 1935. The subject people heading tells you who are the named people in this image, and these are always listed from left to right. The subject places image tells us where the image was created. This one was created on East Street in Bloomington. The subject topics headings tell us what this image is about. It's about police and their weapons and police and their automobiles. The description tells us that the police and the mayor are inspecting a radio cruiser, which is on display. I'm going to click on the East Street link so you can see more images of East Street and see how these links work. So we found 23 images of East Street. Now I'm going to make another search now, but in the 1940s collection. So I'll go back to mchistory.org and choose the 1940s collection. Okay, I'm going to search for military because, of course, what was the most important thing happening in the 1940s was World War II. So here we're finding 821 images of military men. Well, I'm going to find out more about women in the military. So if I put the word women and military together in the search bar, I'm going to find images of women during the war and find out more about what happened with them. You can also search for dance parties that involve the military and find some fun images that way. So you can make a combination search to find different kinds of information. You can also search for places. So you can search for Lincoln, as in Lincoln, Illinois. But if you search for just Lincoln, you're going to find other things. You're going to find things about Abraham Lincoln. So to find just Lincoln, the city, search for Lincoln and add the word Logan for the county where Lincoln is. Then you'll find just images from Lincoln, Illinois, the city. Now, students can use this resource freely. You can use any image you want in presentations at school without any copyright restrictions. I hope that this tutorial on using the basic search will help you in exploring the collection. Thank you for listening.